Hello everyone, in this video I will show you an ad pop-up on Shopify. First, go to shopify.com, log in, go to the search bar and type power. You'll find many pop-ups apps listed. For example, select Power Email Pop-up Sales Pop-ups. Click on Install, then click on Install again to confirm. Once the installation is complete, click on Power Pop-up. You will find various templates available. Select any of the templates and click on Select. You can customize your pop-up by clicking on different elements. For example, click on Success and then Add from Element. Here, you can add elements such as text, images, and more to your pop-up. If you receive a message saying you have reached your 5-element limit, you may need to upgrade to access more elements. Once you're satisfied with your customization, click on Publish. Choose where you want to install the pop-up, such as the home page. Click on Install in Shopify Theme Editor. Now, as you can see, the pop-up is added to your Shopify store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.